is Sonia popping in. Oh, do you feel that fresh air right off the salt water? So gorgeous. How's everybody doing out there today? I gotta tell you, life is good. And life is good, especially because mom's in the kitchen and there ain't nothing like your mother's home cooked meals. I'm just here to tell you that right now. All right, so I am here at the Outport Museum now. Of course, my mom and dad's business, and mom is making me some homemade baked beans today. How did I get so lucky? I don't even know. And she's also doing some what's called traditional Newfoundland Toutons. Anybody even know what a Touton is? So I have to tell you, I'm curious to see maybe if you have, when I show you what it is, I'm curious to find out if maybe you have something in your area that maybe you call it by something else, something similar. So anyway, they're called Newfoundland Toutons, and basically what I would summarize it as is a like a traditional Newfoundland pancake, and it's like fried bread dough. Okay, so good. And so anyway, mom's doing it. This is the last week of their summer season for their business here at the Outport Tea Room and Museum. So they serve traditional Newfoundland meals right here on the ocean. So you can come and visit where I'm from and then stop by and, you know, visit, and you might even hear some music. So inside, my dad and my son Riley, they're just kind of having a, you know, a jam session. My son comes here to Newfoundland. We make our home now in Pennsylvania. And so he gets to come home and, you know, Pop gets to like teach him a few Newfoundland tunes. You know what I'm talking about? Yes. Hey, Caitlin. Hey, Margaret. Ravonda. How are you, girl? Hey, Lisa. So life is good. I have to tell you, though, it's a little bit chilly right now. It's a little bit chilly. In fact, Matt's just like, I'm just going to run out and grab your sweater for you because it's a little bit chilly, okay? I've been used to the temperatures in Pennsylvania, which I understand we've got tons and tons of rain. There goes Matt. See you, Matt. Gone to get my sweater. Thanks, Matt. But yeah, definitely getting used to the climate up here, okay? But I'll show you inside what's going down. She loved it, Teresa. She loved her dining room set. So yesterday, if you didn't see me on here, I showed you guys that I painted her hutch, her table, her chairs, and just kind of like did a few things around her dining room for her to spruce it up a little bit. Told her wait till I got home so I could do something for her with her table set. She loved it. In fact, her reaction is going to be on the vlog tonight. So this morning I was working on my vlog. You guys know on YouTube every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday I do a vlog. And so, yeah, you'll get to see definitely some highlights so far this week, including that one, okay? So anyway, let me show you inside real quick. And I'm also going to do a whole vlog of, you know, right here, this home that I'm in, 1940s home here on the ocean, and this is where I grew up for a portion of my life. It was my grandparents' house, and now it's open to the public. Like I say, traditional Newfoundland meals, tours of what Outport life was back in the day. But anyway, there you go. You can hear the music already. So this is Mom's tea room. Mom's over there. Hello, Mom.
Hi, everybody.
All dressed up. Mom, what style costume is that from? Like what time frame would that be from?
Time period is
Early, like 40s, 30s, 40s?
yeah, 40s for sure,
40s, 50s?
Yeah.
My aunt's here. We're all here because Mom is serving up some good food today. Can you see it right here? She's making homemade molasses beans and Toutons. All right. They're so good they even have an award to show for it. True story. So she's that good. Her cooking is so amazing. But I was looking here, going through the guest book today. If you see here, she has people that visit her here during the summer season all over the world. I mean, I'm pretty sure at this point that they can stay anywhere in the world and, you know, find people. So this book just goes on and on and on. People just come and visit her. So you might even see your state or country listed on here somewhere. And what's really cool, there she is over there. You just got to see her in person. Her name is Valerie, and she is cooking and doing what she does best, right? So I told you guys that I couldn't remember how many years, but they have been voted for the last, I sat here this morning to add them up, 13 years in a row voted for where to eat in Canada for the top 50 places for the last 13 years. You can find them on TripAdvisor. And this is actually over here a painting that was done. This house, this is what it looked like back in the day before some revisions were done to it. But basically it's been restored back to look inside what it would look like back in Outport life back in like the 1950s, and it's filled with all kinds of antiques and things like that. I'm going to take you guys around for a tour. I'll do that separately, but it is pretty amazing. You guys know that this was an old French fishing village, and people would come from France to fish here, fishermen, and it was one of the larger ports. And so this house is dedicated to all kinds of just artifacts, and to really give you an example of what life was back in the day when people, you know, came here to fish, and you know, as just life went on here as an outport. So this is my dad over here, right here. He can't take his hands off the guitar. He can't take them off anyhow to wave or do anything, of course, because he's always playing a musical instrument, as you can see. Some of you guys might recognize some stuff in the back. So, right there. But Dad will not let me paint anything, so I've got to keep my hands off anything in here, right? This is Riley. This is my son. He can't run away right now, guys, because he's got a guitar in his hand, right? So anyway, I'll show you real fast in here. This is Mom. Can we show him your big vat of dough, we'll call it? Your big, big beast of dough. Look at this. Look at this. This will make like how many Toutons, Mom?
Oh my goodness. I'm able to serve. See, I've had a bus tour and I've done 50. Like you're able to do probably 60 Toutons.
60 Toutons. All right, who's coming for Toutons? Who's coming for Toutons?
Come on, everyone. I'll serve you.
Mom's going to take care of you. Tell her that you know me. She'll take extra good care, okay? So she's over here now. This is what?
This is scruncheons. It's salt pork.
Okay.
But in Newfoundland, we call it scruncheons. That's fried down, crispy, and salty, but really tasty. Really tasty. So I'm going to fry these down there.
Yep. So she's going to do some butter or oil you put in with...
a little bit of oil, yeah.
Yep. And I love to hear the sizzle of the frying pan. Anybody else just like, oh, so... Just, you know something's good. Something good is going to happen, right? Everything's better with butter. And also with scruncheons here in Newfoundland as well, right? So you use that for your fish and... You know, just when you're doing a lot of traditional Newfoundland meals, right? So, yay. Yay, yay. Kate, you're funny. Yes.
Okay, we're going to turn
you.
these down
Susan
there.
says you love fried hog jaw. Girl, what is that?
What
is that
is
like...
that?
I don't know. See,
Okay.
everybody eats differently wherever they're from, right?
Okay, it's ready for
All
the
right.
dough.
So she's got her pan all good and hot. So this is one of the things that I definitely grew up on. When Mom would do homemade bread and there would be a little bit left over, this is what she would do, and we would fight over the Toutons. And, you know, you had to have your Toutons, but yeah, would I say, Mom, is there just enough that you can make some Toutons for us? Because she would always do homemade bread.
Okay, this is the dough I've cut off.
So you cut off these, they're about the size, maybe the palm of your hand.
Yes, yes, just little, and 'cause it's more, you make them thicker and bigger, it's longer for the cook.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
they're yummy.
We like to eat quick, right? We don't want to wait things to take forever. Thank you, Tammy. Tammy says that, Mom, you look beautiful.
Oh,
She's
thank
all
you.
decked out in her, because this is quite serious stuff here, right? People come, they get a throwback to what life was like, and so it is quite usual to see my mother going around the garden picking rhubarb with a basket in her hands, dressed up in the same. You know, it's funny, when I was in this house, Nan used to have pictures on the wall of her in dresses, and I would say to her, like, oh, I wish I could wear a dress. You know what I mean? And Nan would say, no, you don't, young lady. If you had to wear a dress, you'd be wishing you didn't have to. But I'd be like, oh, you know, but Cinderella wears dresses. You know, but practical, it would be hard, right, in winter to wear a dress. That would be rough. Look at this. How do you know when they're done, Mom?
Okay, they're a little bit crispy on both sides. Which
Looks
is really
good.
nice.
Yes, I
See
like them
this?
crispy.
Yeah.
So do you guys have this somewhere, like, for those of you who are watching, you guys watch from all over, like, do you have something that's similar to this here, what you guys would call them? Toutons go back, like, I don't know, like, when you're born, you just know Toutons exist in Newfoundland. They're so good, right? And then you put things over them like sorrel, or like in this case right here, you see Crosby's Fancy Molasses. This is definitely something that, you know, every staple home in Newfoundland has. In fact, here in a museum, this is an old can that Mom has that, you know, that's just now a collection. Beautiful.
That would be the original can from years ago. Yeah.
Yep, from years and years ago. They look like Navajo fry bread. Ooh, I make fried dough Italian. Look good. Look good, look good, look good. Oh yeah, I bet you all those things would be really yummy. So up here you do, like, you can put berries on top of them, syrup on top of them. I'm trying to think what else you put on top of them, Mom. Pretty much jam.
Any kind of jam.
Yep.
Any kind of jam is delicious, yes.
Oh,
even
so
the fresh
good.
cream, a fresh cream with blueberry and that
Oh,
is good.
yes.
Yeah.
Catherine says she's in Australia and she's going to have to come over just to eat. Yes! My gosh, yeah, I was sitting here this morning and there were some tourists in here from Quebec, and they came in for a little bit. You just see people from all over. Mom, have you had people here from Australia?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
There you go.
Can
Maybe
you
Catherine,
see
maybe they're your
right
relatives.
here, you see Australia.
Oh, that's right. Oh, my
Australia.
gosh. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's
Look.
my friends from Australia.
Mom has friends from all over, I swear. They go to, you guys went over to, oh, what?
And Holland.
Seriously?
Holland.
Look at this. I'm telling you. Look.
This is Holland. Look.
Oh,
Okay,
she
there's
has
Holland.
friends from all over the world that travel over. She takes good care of them. And then, yeah, you guys went to Switzerland, right? You got to go to Ireland. They have people from all over that they get to know. So look how nice they look. So you put a couple in a pan at a time. You don't want them to touch, right? And then you just fit as many as you can. She says do them thin so that way they go fast in terms of like how fast they fry. And now, hello people, hello, hello. You know what I'm having for lunch today? I am having Mom's homemade baked molasses beans. Right there. Who else loves baked beans? It's only been, this is the baked bean recipe that Matt talks about, saying that we've only been together 20 years and Mom won't give him the recipe. Right here now, you are witnessing the beans. All right. Matt's not here right now, otherwise I'm sure he'd have something to say, right? He's like, yes. Because he says as well, these are the best beans he's ever had. So guys.
And you would take your molasses, which I've poured out here.
Yep.
And just drizzle molasses over it.
In South, you have fried mush, which is made with cornmeal. Oh,
so enjoy.
Looks so good. Yeah, right? So this is the kind, what other stuff do you serve up here, Mom? Where's my plate too? Over there.
Over
right?
there.
Over here. I gotta go over.
does have no much on it.
No. How many, what did I just ask you? Oh yeah, what other stuff do you serve up here?
I do the fish cakes.
Fish cakes?
Traditional fish cakes, Jig's dinner, pea soup and dumplings on Saturday, right? So everything all
hearty
local,
food.
right?
Yeah. All local.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, homemade pies.
Blueberry, partridge berry, yeah. Pie.
Blueberry,
And
partridge berry.
Homemade chocolate cake. All that good stuff. Homemade raisin tea buns.
Do you hear this? It just keeps going on and on and on, right? I am like one lucky girl, let me just tell you. So this is what I'm doing This is what I'm doing. So for those of you who are asking me, are you doing the keto diet while you're up there? You just heard what she's making. Do you really think I'm doing the keto diet? Not this week. Oh, can I have a spoon so I can like try this? This is gonna be so good. So what's everybody else up to today? Thank you very much. So watch my vlog tonight on YouTube because I got a lot of more behind the scenes stuff for you guys, including Mom's reaction to how she liked her, and you're right here, tell them because they want to know. Did you like your table set last night?
Oh, it was amazing. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. Oh, wow. A new kitchen, a new dinette. Oh,
Yay!
wow. I loved it.
Yay! Yay, yay, yay. So look at this, guys. This is what I'm having for lunch here today. Oh, my goodness gracious. And she got bacon into it. Oh, everything's good with bacon and butter. I should just, like, rephrase that. So yummy. So this is what I'm up to right now. Hopefully you're having something good for lunch. And, yeah, I wish I could, like, give it to you all. Like, if Facebook has a feature where I could just deliver you food, you would totally be eating with me today. I'm just saying, all right?
Yep. Show them cutting at your Toutons now.
Mom says she's cutting out the Toutons for you right now. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in. And watch on the vlog for more behind-the-scenes stuff. And I'll be back on again, okay, to talk to you guys again soon. See ya. Bye.